Hello all. Do you sometimes or maybe even often get those pesky hiccups? Well, have I got a remedy for you. First, prepare yourself a full glass of water. Then, apply sufficient pressure on your earlobe and pull down as such. Now, again, make sure you're applying some proper force and able to get rid of those pesky hiccups. Next, while you're pulling down on your earlobe, take the glass of water and drink as much of it as you can for 5 seconds. I'll demonstrate with my water bottle. After that, wait for the following hiccup to come. At last, finally, you may have come to the conclusion that you just found out how to cure the hiccups. I love sharing. Cookie Monster, do you enjoy sharing too? I love cookies. Thank you for checking it out. Jamie was here.